Good day class. So, ito yung mga simple folds na pwede nyong gamitin para sa face-to-face activity natin next week. So, the very first one is yung crown. So, this one is yung pinaka-easiest na type of crown lang. Yung nilalapag lang, laying flat on the ground. So, you can try this one. I'll do it slowly para maka-follow kayo. It's virtual. So, as I mentioned, one of the tricks para hindi kayo malito is in accordance kung ano yung base ng fold na gagamitin nyo. Like this one, mag-i-start ako. Unang apat is, ang base is like this. Yung step 2 is lengthwise na fold in half. So, you just make it as then i-quarter nyo siya. So, sunod-sunod yan. Lahat lengthwise na base na step 2. So, sensyahan nyo na medyo kinakalawang si sir. So, ito may mga ibang variation din yung crown na pero ito yung ginawa ko is pinakamadali at mabilis para kasi 3 minutes lang naman tayo, para considered as 1 point naman to sa akin. So, this one is the version that lay on the ground like this, but if you want to make it stand up, it's easy. The very last fold is you just put it underneath neatly, then just fold it again same as earlier, but this time yan nyo siya. Okay? You need to mapasok siya. Paano mo lang yan, papatayuin mo lang. Pangit kasi ng napkin ko, pero yun yung ano yan, yung main thought is kung gusto nyo patayuin pwede din yan, pero yung the one laying in the table, yun yung pinaka marirecommend ko para mabilis nyo siyang ma-apply. So the next one, again, start with the lengthwise na half, then you move to the quarter. Then this is the most simplest and easiest napkin folds. Simple as that. Wala. So, ito yung mga isa sa napakarami naman ng mga pocket style na napkin fold, but here is the simplest one is this one. Then may isa pa tayong pocket na fold. The same base din, pero lang siya, diagonal na double diagonal na may texture. So same, 'di ba? Lahat ng step 2 ko nag-i-start sa half fold. Lahat nag-i-start sa half fold na lengthwise. Sunod-sunod para hindi ako nalilito. Alam ko yung susunod-sunod. So, you just roll it up. So, dalawang layer na interleaved na layers. You just roll it up. Tapos, the trick here is the thinner the roll, the better. Mas tight, mas siya. Mas clean yung look niya afterwards. So, wala. So, yeah. So very easy as well. So, pocket style din yan. You can put the cutleries inside. It's very nice and very applicable siya in the industry, usually when you're assigned to IRD or in-room dining or room service. Ano pa yung isa? So, crosswise again. Lengthwise, crosswise. No. Ito, look at this one. Sa mga marunong na nito, it's good. But, sa mga hindi, watch carefully. Although this is a simple fold as well. Pero, sa 5-star hotels, up to the chef, we use this one. Kahit dun sa sa second company natin. We really apply this on the industry. So, trifold siya na na crosswise, na rectangular. Okay? So, remember this fold, okay? Kasi yan, magagamit nyo yan kahit sa industry. So, it's a very neat fold as well. So, nakaapat na, So, let's begin with the, half fold din. Mag-i-start na ako sa mga half fold ko na triangular naman, na angular. So, sunod-sunod din yan para hindi nakakalit. So, the easiest one is yung trifold. Minsan, French fold, yung tawag sa iba nito, yung trifold, yung sobrang dali. Okay, thank you. So, 1 point din to kay sir. As easy as that. Pwede din yan, okay? So, again, half fold na triangular. Ano ba? Ano pa ba yung madadali? Ito. Madali lang to. Yung envelope. It's very easy as well. Again, all of this that I'm demonstrating to you is simple folds lang, okay? So, yun. Starting from half fold na triangular, diba? Sunod-sunod siya. From trifold envelope, and then again, look at this carefully kasi we really do this on board, on the ship. Yung pyramid. Trifold siya nagsimula. Then you fold it like that. Then upside down. You flip it. Then you fold it again. Becomes pyramid. So this is very easy, which I know a lot of you knows as well. Yung fold, very familiar to sa inyo. Diba? So, pag binaliktad mo naman yan, another fold din naman. So, it's very easy. So, elephant yan. Patayuin nyo lang ng like that. Then, i-flip nyo. Mga dalawa or tatlo atang. Yan, dalawa. Pangit lang. Kasi ang pangit ng napkin ko. So, elephant. Another fold din, diba? Very easy. Pwede din yun. Basta matutupin nyo siya, mapaperform nyo both pyramid and elephant. 1 point. So, separate points. Kung tamad na kayo mag-isip ng ibang fold. So, nakailan na tayong half fold na triangular? 3 plus elephant. So total of 11 pala lalo. So, again, ito, yung sa module natin is candle na birthday candle. But this is the one that we use on board sa ship, lalo sa malalaking barko. Candle din siya, half fold na triangular. You put a little space, you fold it, you flip it, you turn it over, then a little bit space like that, then angular position, then you slowly and gently roll it over. Okay. Candle din yan. Napakarami ng fold na candle. Kung may alam kayong ibang candle na fold, it's okay. But lahat ng candle folds is considered as 1 point only. Kasi it's the easiest ones. Wala. Diba? So, yung nasa module natin is a birthday candle. It's 1 point as well. And kung gusto nyo rin gawin to, it's okay as well. But this one is what we do in sea base. Pag gala night tayo sa malalaking barko, that's the napkin fold that we do dun sa first company natin. So, okay na trifold na. Half fold na angular, candle, and pyramid. Did I miss something out? Parang wala naman. So, candle. And then, from half fold na triangular, you can do one of the easiest ones as well. Yung rose. You just leave the tip because that's gonna be the leaf of the rose. So it's very easy. Just roll it over, then sorry. So it's done. Easy as that. May rose ka. Same base lang din. Okay? Ano pa ba? miss out ako. Wala naman. Fold envelope, okay. So the last one is, ito very easy din, pero consider the swamp point din. Bibigyan ko kayo yung leaf. It's very easy as well. Just hold both the ends together, then tuck nyo inside yung tape para it's a little bit cleaner. So leaf, supposedly pag maganda yung napkin nyo, it sticks together and stand out. Yan, 1 point din na leaf. So thank you for listening, and then for the difficult folds, later on. Thank you.